Hello everybody, Spiffy Pictures Locals, yes, and VeggieTales No here. And I want to show you how Boris and Doris called the baby stupid, and I'm going to teach you a story. So let's just see.
Oh my gosh.
See? Oh, we got Boris. He looks a little surprised. Let's just see what happens now.
Doris, what's up?
My water broke once again.
Let's take you to the hall.
Oh no. Boris looks a little upset. Let's see how he calls the baby stupid.
Hospital. Hey, doctor. Isn't she going to be all right? She is pregnant. All you have to do push.
See? She's pushing. So let's just see what happens.
Push. Congratulations. It's two baby twins. What would you like to name them?
I'll name them Agnes and Amanda.
See? They're Agnes and Amanda. So let's see what happens if Boris and Doris call the baby stupid.
It's so adorable.
I agree with Caillou. Me too.
Me three.
Me four. They're so cute.
I agree with Emily.
I agree with all of you.
See? Now, Caillou, Cody, Daisy, Rosie, Hannah and Sapphire, Emily and Lily called the baby cute. That's just so awesome. But Boris and Doris look a little not good. And then I don't know what this user is, so let's just see what happens if they call the baby stupid.
No. They are so stupid.
I agree with Doris.
See, there's that dun 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 sound.
Everyone, are you?
See, now Agnes and Amanda are crying because Boris and Doris called the baby stupid, and let's see what happens.
Okay.
See the revenge?
That's it. Let's go home right now.
When they got home,
Mom and Dad, you are grounded until Agnes and Amanda become 1 year old. Go to bed right now.
see now Boris and Doris.
It's okay, Agnes.
See now Boris and Doris are crying because they called the baby stupid. So let's just see what Rosie says.
And Amanda, your mean mom and your mean dad are upstairs in the room. They won't do that to you ever again.
I think they're hungry. We should give them some milk.
And Lily is gonna give them some milk to cheer them up. Now they're drinking their milk. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe for more episodes, and I'll see you next time for more stories. Peace out.